Hello friends, I'm Dr. Schultz, and this week I'm going to answer some questions on female issues. And I have 3 questions here, but all 3 are short, so let's get to them. Here, the first one's from Carrie in Phoenix, Arizona. Dear Dr. Schultz, I have terrible hair loss. Okay, normally I don't answer questions about hair loss. Obviously, I don't know the cure. But I have terrible hair loss around my period. Is Fem or the Female Plus? Is the Female or Female Plus what I should be taking, or both? She wants to know on Female or Female Plus. Let me skip to the next question. Dear Dr. Schultz, this is from Julie in Illinois. I have 2 teenage daughters that both suffer from severe cramps, usually every monthly cycle. I'm wondering if the female formula or the female shot is the best for these symptoms, and if so, what's the dosage? I noticed the dosage for the female formula is different in the catalog than on the actual bottle itself. So, I'm not sure of the correct dosage, as they are very different. Your help will be appreciated. And the third letter is from Deborah in Big Lake, MN. Where's MN? Minnesota? Minnesota. Big Lake, Minnesota. Dear Dr. Schultz, I'm 51. I'm starting to have irregular menstrual cycles, hot flashes, mood swings. The worst part are the headaches and the cloudy thinking I'm getting around my cycle. Please advise me how to best utilize your female formula, or what I should be doing to make a transition into my menopause a more peaceful and easier time. I feel best right after my cycle is over. I've completed your bowel cleanse. Good job, Deborah. And love all your products we have tried. We could not survive without your Super Tonic and Throat Spray. Thank you. Please advise, as I feel like I'm losing it, and my husband would like his wife back. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to answer all 3 of these, but they kind of group together. Okay, first of all, female, female plus, or female shot. Okay, the female formula is comprised of herbs to balance your hormones. Chaste berries, the wonder herb of Europe that's been used through the ages to help women balance their hormones. Right here. Dongquai from China that 1 billion women use. And I always say I'm never arguing with 1 billion women. And wild yam from the Americas, which goes back forever. These 3 herbs balance your hormones. The female tonic is to balance your hormones. The female plus tonic is that plus additional diuretics to make you urinate more and get rid of water retention, which can happen during menstrual cycles or during PMS, and also nerve sedative and antispasmodic herbs, which can be helpful, again, during premenstrual syndrome. I would call the female plus my PMS tonic, but I can't. I'll repeat that. I would call this my PMS tonic, but I can't say that. Okay, that's the difference. And the female shot is a combination of both, but in a higher clinical dose. You shake it and take the whole shot in an emergency situation like extreme menstrual cramping, all the way to an extreme freak out during PMS, all the way to extreme hot flashes or moments of temporary insanity during menopause. And I say that lightly, ladies. Most of my patients were female. And so let me get specific here. What's the difference between the female or the female plus? Carrie, Phoenix, Arizona, just answered that. Julie from Illinois. I'm wondering if the female or female shot is good for my teenage daughters with cramps. The female shot in an emergency cramping situation is my clinical heroic dosage. That would be perfect. But normally you would put them on the female formula, and the female formula is normally 2 dropperfuls 3 to 4 times a day. I would have your daughter stay on that for 3 or 4 months until they don't have horrible cramping with their menstrual cycle. Horrible cramping is not normal, and it's often indicative of constipation. So you must ask them how often they have bowel movements, and if it's less than once or twice a day, you need to get them on the bowel detox formula, get them on the intestinal formula #1 in the bowel detox program. And you want to take a look at their food program and a few other things here. Julie. And Deborah, finally 51, and she's asking, she's completed the bowel cleanse, and she wants to know what to do for the hot flashes. In extreme cases of cloudy thinking and hot flashes and mood swings, again, the female shot. I made this for menopausal emergencies, menstrual emergencies, PMS emergencies. I know exactly what you're talking about. I had thousands of ladies. Some, unfortunately, by the time they came to see me, had lost their husbands, their jobs, and their families, and were on the brink of insanity. And I want you to know that these herbs are such a blessing. It brought their husbands, their families back, and got them their jobs back. Okay, in cases much more extreme than you, Deborah, this is a savior for menopausal. I also have many people, working women, that went through such confusion they couldn't focus on their job, they couldn't remember numbers, whatever. This will also do the trick. So ladies, for everything from puberty to menstrual cycles to PMS to menopause, remember it's female tonic or female plus or the female shot during any emergency situation, whether it's with any of those times in your life or times of the month. Okay, ladies, you are going to love me even more when you start taking the female herbs. They will change your life, they will stop the pain, they will stop the anxiety, and they'll get you your life back.